This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Charlotte Hitchens. East End 1-level townhouse 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Bedrooms are split for privacy. Open floor plan with vaulted ceiling. Living/dining combined. Kitchen has enough room for a breakfast table. Walk-in laundry room with storage cabinets, nice size 2-car garage. Open deck bonus room off master bedroom, 2 walk-in showers. Approx 1,766 square feet. HC built in 1998. All laminate flooring throughout, no carpet. For more information, review the details below or contact Charlotte Hitchens at 501-922-7050.